Maybe in the Philippine file, it is the judgment and order state 2011 to 2020.
302.
My lord. I like indigenous my lord.
Heard Mr. A.K. Azad,
Lord.
Counsel for the accused appellant. And MS S.H. Bora. Learned. Additional public prosecutor. For the respond number 1, state of staff. This criminal appeal in the 74-2 from a Code of Criminal Procedure 1950. This plea has been preferred against the judgment and order dated 28/11/2022, passed by a land Court of Land and Traditional Sections, FTC, Karimganj. In Sessions Case number 77 of 2008, trial court. By the said judgment and order dated 28/11/2008, the learned trial court has convicted convicted 3 accused persons,
Mine.
including the accused appellant,
Mine.
for committing offences punishable under sections 147, 302, 149 of the Indian Penal Code. The accused appellant has been sentenced to undergo imprisonment for life
Yes.
and to pay a fine of rupees 5,000, in default of payment of fine, to undergo simple imprisonment for 2 months under section 302, read with section 149 of the Indian Penal Code. In addition, the accused appellant has been sentenced to undergo simple imprisonment for 1 year for the charge under section 147 IPC. The appeal is admitted for hearing. Let the records of Sessions Case number 77 of 2010 be called for. Notice be issued to the respondents as MS Bora, additional public prosecutor, has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the number 1 of some issuance of formal notice and however, the petitioner accused appellant shall take for service of notice after number 2 by register post within 3 working days. Notice returnable 4 weeks. Yes, anything? The prayer for consideration, prayer for consideration of suspension of execution of the sentence and for bail will be considered on receipt of the trial court act.
Yes.
May it please, yes, my lord. My lord, appeal against conviction, my lord, under 302 of Indian Penal Code.
P. Chakraborty. Counsel for the accused. MSSA Bora. Learned additional public prosecutor.
Let me record my name.
Oh, I have not seen. as Jahan, learned additional public figure, but respondent state of us. According to court, court is session judge, Paksa at Musalpur. Judgment and order dated 7/2024. Sessions case number 82 stroke 2020. Applicable. Two accused persons, including the accuser. Section 302 stroke 365 stroke 34. Yes. The accused appellant has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life and to pay a fine of rupees 2,000 in default of payment of fine, to undergo simple imprisonment for another 6 months. For the offense under section 302 stroke 34, IPC. Full stop. For the offense, for the charge under section 365 stroke 34 IPC, the accused appellant has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 3 years and to pay a fine of rupees 2,000, in default of payment of fine, to undergo simple imprisonment for another 3 years. Admitted for hearing. Trial court record of statement case number 7 for statement of its returnable insurance as a MS Jahan. Fair profile is there.
Yes, my lord, we are,
Same.
IA is there.
Only steps upon respond number 2 is not.
I'm obliged.
Number 2 will go now like that.
Sorry. There is a delay of some
In
days.
the 9 minutes.
Somewhat confusing on the last date because you did not appear. Right?
I'm sorry, Lordship.
So, since amicus has not filed this interlocutory application under section 389,
Right.
so he was not interested to press this application. So we kept it like that. Now, if you want to press this application, then you have to take steps. Okay,
302.
it is 302.
3-0.
Lordship, may I?
Have you filed objection?
And since the paper book is ready,
Ah.
let the intermediate only 6 numbers of witnesses. Only, my lord,
Okay.
6 numbers of witnesses. Entire matter be heard 2023 matter immediately after the holidays. Today,
No, no.
Ah.
Not today. We have
Well,
single benches. also.
Lordship. Oh, yes, the matter has been fixed.
Okay. Since we are hearing the appeal, we keep it
Lordship.
pending. We'll keep it pending.
Lordship.
Main appeal. You be there. If appeal is not heard, then you press the
Lordship.
We need to file our objection that
okay. Shall we record the name of both set of counsel, amicus and you are in the only IA.
Lordship. I'm
Only in the IA.
Only in the
appeal.
Absolutely.
Lordship,
If appeal is heard,
Okay, we'll close it. Otherwise, two sets of counsel, Mr.
I'm Rana.
M. Rana, learned counsel for the heard. And MS we are learned. Opposite. Opposite, MS,
Yeah,
Mr. Rana has submitted that. The
I will come
applicant,
middle of May.
is not fetching the instant application under 59 CRPC as in the accompanying appeal, comma, an order has already been passed on 4/4/2024 to post the appeal for hearing in the month of May. That was all. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Rana, the instant interlocutory application stands closed.
Then again, there will be two sets of counsel in the hearing also. আপুনি main টো থাকিব নে নাই?
No, 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 that will be good.
Not there.
20
Line counsel for the petitioner and MS as Jana, learned additional public prosecutor for the respondents data was some objector. Some objection was there.
No, that's nothing. Definitely.
Private party. Is there
Not-
Nothing of that nature.
has not been received
ইমান long গৈছে।
and the case be posted on MS Jahan on which
Not
day?
yet. Number of times CD was forwarded, not sure. Any date, Lordship, immediately after Bihu,
Immediately after Bihu.
in spite of 4 signals, signal not provided.
24 4
Lordship, interim I think is there.
Yes.
Time is there in there. I mean,
24/4/2020
20,
24 24
20, 20,
24
24, Lordship.
2404
Yes.
for production of case, right? This package accordingly on 24/4/2024. The interim order passed by here shall continue. Next one, next week of
My lord, I beg to mention for item number 3, your lordship, I am instructed to withdraw the petition, your lordship.
Item 3.
3.
MS
Oh,
A Begum.
Huh?
I think three more.
No, no.
No,
Item
more.
4 is yours.
my one is item 3.
Item 4 is
No, my lord, I am item
Zakir Hussain.
Zakir Hussain, item 3.
Sorry, Lordship, mine is 4 lot.
I am instructed to
Oh,
withdraw the petition.
MS A Begum. Learned counsel for the accused petitioner had submitted that
With liberty to file.
instruction has been received from the petitioner not to press the bail application.
With
MS
liberty to
Jahan.
file a fresh, your lordship, if necessary. With liberty to file a fresh, if necessary. your
Okay.
lordship.
With liberty to file a petition. Post of MS A Jahan, learned additional public prosecutor, who is in attendance, has no objection to the state fair. In view of the above submission made by Mr. MS Begum, learned counsel for the accused petitioner, the bail application stands dismissed as not pressed, with their liberty as paid for.
Oblige, your lordship.
Yeah, please, Lordship. Lordship, I want to mention regarding listing of a bail matter for tomorrow, Lordship.
Motion.
Yes, Lord. Much obliged.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25 CD not received. Interim is
Item
there.
number
25.
Yes, he is not here.
25. Did he not receive?
Interim is
yet.
there.
25.
Lordship, item,
25.
yes, Lordship.
$25, no?
Your Mr.
A Islam.
A Islam.
Interim is there.
For the petitioner. As Jahan. Ms. Jahan. Is they not received?
Not received.
Okay. When?
24th of April?
24th of April.
Lordship,
Is the
Okay,
case
24th.
accordingly on any time or the past earlier?
item number 26, CD received, but my senior has personal difficulties.
What
File the
minute,
matter
what
to
minute? What is it?
26.
for 26.
26 is there.
26.
Yes, Lord.
Let us add.
26. It is available. Who is your senior?
F Hawk.
Mr.
A Islam.
A Islam. Learned Counsel
Twenty
submitted
them is their
Mr.
lordship.
F of Learned Counsel, Learned Counsel who is leading him in this case has some particular difficulty to appear in the to conduct the case. He has thus sought for adjournment for an adjournment. MS Jahan has Jahan and petition public has submitted that the case diary as called for has been received. List the case on
We will retain the case diary, so 18, 19, 22, any date,
list the case on
22.
20/04/2024. The case diary to receive comma PDK till the date of the interim order. After let continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged, sir.
May it pleases your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 8 of the daily.
Eight.
list. Yes, lordship. Can the matter kindly be adjourned?
8. On the
MCP,
prayer of
MCP.
Lordship, we have informed.
anyway, it is bail application. You have informed
Yes, lordship, I have
Okay.
informed.
MSAK Chopi,
Yes, lordship.
Learned Counsel for the accused petitioner has sought listing of the case after
Lordship, first week of May. First week of May.
listing of the case in the first week of May. It is submitted that consent has been taken from a learned public prosecutor, comma, NCB to make the prayer. Full stop. The prayer so made by MS Topi is allowed to list the case on 6th of May,
Lordship, 6th of May, my senior will be out of
3rd of May,
3rd of May. Okay. Obliged, lordship.
P5.
Please. Regarding item number 4, Lordship, can it be taken at 2, Lordship?
If the court rises before 2,
Lordship, then tomorrow, Lordship, because co-accused has been granted bail yesterday, Lordship, there without in the motion itself, Lordship, but the order is yet to be online, Lordship. That is the main problem.
find out, then we will refer. Then we'll direct.
If it is
Come
before
before
1 o'clock,
So 1 o'clock to court uthibo lagbo na,
Come before 2. We'll see. Yes. Next.
Sure. Much obliged.
Item 6.
Six.
Yes,
Yes.
there was a decision in the administrative side of the Honorable Chief Justice to place the matter of the petitioner before the recruitment committee, my lord. The recruitment committee is going to sit on 25/4/2024. So if this item 6 can be taken up after that date in the first week of May, my lord.
Depends on Mr. P.K. Tiwari.
I have informed.
2nd of May. 2nd.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the exact
20
submission? Heard Mr. P.K. Tiwari, Learned Senior Counsel for the petition, and Mr. H.K. Das, Learned Standing Counsel, Guwahati High Court. So, Mr. Das, Learned Standing Counsel, Guwahati High Court has submitted that there are in view of subsequent, as there is some developments in the matter, comma, the case be listed. The case be listed after 25/4/2024.
24. Yes.
Full stop. As agreed to by the Learned Counsel for the parties, list the case on 2nd of May. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Propose-
Okay. Okay.
Proposed date of the meeting of the
uh,
committee.
Mr. Das, Learned Standing Counsel, Guwahati High Court has submitted that the matter of the petitioner has been placed before the recruitment committee,
No, will be placed before.
will be placed
Mm.
before the recruitment committee, which is going to sit on 25/4/2024. Full stop. With such submission, he has prayed that the case be listed after 25/4/2024.
My lord.
24.
My lord.
Post of, the prayer made by Mr. Das is accepted as agreed to by the Landed Council for the parties, leaves the case on 2/5/2024. Okay,
Deeply obliged. Much obliged.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, my lord.
16.
16, my lord. Kindly adjourn the
If
matter.
there is here.
My lord, any day after vacation, my lord.
Is there there?
Ah. There.
19th?
19th,
My lord, except 19, my lord. 18,
Except 19.
18th.
10, 22.
interim
Okay,
is there.
Mr.
You Khan.
EU Khan, Landed Council appearing for MS. EU Khan. Item number 16.
16.
Okay. As provided for an adjournment, full stop. MS Jahan, S. Jahan, Landed Traditional Public Prosecutor has submitted that the case diary has been received. Full stop. In view of the prayer of adjournment, let the case be listed on 22/4/2024. Full stop. Anything interim is there?
Yes, my lord. Interim
Okay.
is
The
But
case
they
there
have
is so received,
gone-
be retained till the next date of listing. The interim order passed by date shall continue till the next.
obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, with respect to item number 20 of the list, upon inquiry, lordship, I found CD is not available. I don't think
20.
20, yes, city is not here.
Okay. SN Krishna Troy, Landed Council for the petitioner, and S. Jahan, Landed Traditional Public Prosecutor for the
Interim assistant.
when?
lordship,
After 24th, I mean,
What?
29th of April
Ah.
or May,
Is there?
he is on interim.
Has not been
Lordship,
they posted on 29/4/2024.
Twice.
So, list the case accordingly on 29/4/2024. The interim order passed by shall continue till the next. Okay.
lordship, interim order dated 28/11.
Allowed.
Yes, lordship.
Continued.
Yes. Obliged, lordship.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, with regard to item number 23, lordship, I'm praying for accommodation for today, your lordship.
Then after Bihu.
Lordship, in the second week of May or maybe first week of May.
Case they received.
Lordship,
If case they received, then we'll immediately after.
lordship.
Right?
23.
Okay, Mr. DJ Das, Landed Council for the petitioner has
Thank-
paid for an
23.
adjournment of the case
Fully.
and has sought for listing of the case after time being revocation. And as the Landed Council Public Prosecutor has submitted that the case diary, has been received. So, in view of the prayer of adjournment, let the case be declared on 25,
Lordship,
22?
26 May.
26/4/2024. The case diary so received from
No.
my be retained.
CS is filed, I mean.
Charge
charge
sheet has
sheet
been
is filed.
filed, your lord.
Charge sheet is filed.
Okay.
Then he can approach the lower court.
Lordship, lordship, let it be on 26.
Let it be there.
There is no bar here.
Interim days.
The case has resulted into a charge sheet by charge sheet number. Anything available?
Oh, 20, 21, I think,
23.
23. This is charge sheet number 56 of 24,
Dated
dated 30th of March, 33/24,
30/03/2020.
30/03/20.
So, as the as a prayer of adjournment is made by Mr. Das, the case be listed on 2024. The interim order passed by yes. Shall continue till the next
Much
Even
obliged.
item 20 charge sheet was filed.
1 minute.
The earlier matter which was mentioned,
Which one?
earlier matter which is mentioned, item 20 charge sheet was filed.
Item 20.
20. Oh,
Yes,
which one?
Then lordship, I
relatively listed
Lordship.
same order. Do you have any information regarding charge sheet?
Yes, charge sheet has been already submitted by Gogamukh PS so and so. It will see it CS no? 36 no, under section. It will C number 105 of 23. No, this is PS number. Gogamukh PS has been already submitted.
Okay, let it be like that. You get concrete information, complete
Lordship,
instruction.
this will let it come up. Already submitted.
Already
CDs are submitted. Yeah, allocated on section.
29-4.
Lordship,
Let it-
29-4.
Obliged.
I beg to mention for item number 24, Lordship. it is not
24.
available.
24. No, yes, CD is not there.
It is not there.
Not there.
MS
M. Bora, Lordship.
M. Bora got a petition. As Jahan.
Interim is there, Lordship.
Posted on
24th April.
24/4/2000. Is the case according to 24/4/2024. The interim order passed. Anything more?
No, Lordship.
Please, your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, Lordship. Lordship,
Item number
15. Lordship,
15,
And copy
yes.
is there.
Scan copy.
yes, Lordship. In this matter, last occasion, Honorable Court has issued notice to the respondent, Lordship. Respondent number 2. In the meantime, we will file service affidavit, Lordship. 1 week time may be given for filing this affidavit.
What is this? Case record scan copy. What kind of record? Settlement between the victim and the petition.
Yes, Lordship.
Let notice be issued to the respondent number
15.
PJ Rotto, learned counsel for the petitioner, and MS H. Jahan, learned petitioner. Mr. Doctor has paid for testing of the case after 2 weeks. After a week,
Lordship.
in order to file compliance affidavit as regards service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by way of justice. Total temporary is allowed. This is the case on. Why cases are not given their dates? Bail application.
Lordship,
We have found all the orders.
Huh.
But the next date of listing is not really given.
not given.
2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Because interim is there and they left.
Apex code of the week.
yes.
It should be.
24.
Yes, when? 29?
Any date, Lordship.
22nd of May.
20.
Oh, for April. He needs 1 week time. Sir,
20.
no,
Two.
agreement.
04/2000. 24. The interim order passed by shall continue.
Obliged.
May I please, your Lord? Lordship, I beg to mention item 19, your Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of A. Goel, your Lordship.
19.
Yes, sir. I'm praying for an adjournment, your Lordship.
Case diary is not there.
Is there not there?
Not there.
Okay, Mr.
PK Bora, Lordship.
P.K. Bora,
On behalf of A. Goel, Lordship.
Learned counsel. Pardon. On behalf of Mr. A. Goel, learned counsel for the petitioner, as Jahan, learned additional public. Is there not
On 25th of April. 25th of April.
20,000? Is the case accordingly? The interim order passed by shall continue.
Obliged, your Lordship.
May it please, your Lordship. I
Yes.
beg to mention item number 17, Lordship.
Item number 17.
Lordship.
Case diary is not here.
So I may be allowed to withdraw this matter, Lordship.
Mr. R. Pukon, granted counsel for the petition, has submitted that the petitioner wants to withdraw the
It is charge sheeted.
MS L. Jahan, learned additional public property, has submitted that the case has resulted into a charge sheet by charge sheet number
130
of
of 23.
2023,
Dated 23rd of November 23.
24th of
23/11/23.
in view of the above submission made by Mr. Pukon and a counsel for the petition, the instance will be stands dismissed as on withdrawal.
No, there is an interim order, Lordship.
That will be recalled that
Vacated.
the interim order passed by and
Obliged.
Sophia, item number 1.
Where the girl died.
Yes, Your Lordship. 439 application, Lordship.
39.
Yes,
Mr. PK.
Under 302, Lordship.
Transport application.
Right.
MSS Jahan. Granted additional state of 439. Release the case on
Sonapur, so
Lordship, case,
25th of April.
case diary along with PM report may be called for.
Okay.
release the case on 25 report for production of the construct case diary along with the postmortem examination report.
Obliged, Lord.
My lord, it is for 39 application, my lord, and I'm arrested on 22 to 24, 46 days, my lord, and case,
Yes, yes.
and case is registered under section 21B below commercial.
21B
Yes, my lord.
Brown
of
sugar.
NDPS Act.
NDPS Act.
Brown sugar 39 grams
And-
without
and-
the soap cases.
And, not, and,
without the
Soap cases.
soap cases.
madam,
Since when you are there?
I'm not on 22nd February, my lord.
What is the punishment?
Up
Suppose
to
you are guilty.
my lord. Extend to 10 years.
21B, 10.
60 days.
60.
60 days. 22.
Now, divided again,
For 46 days.
another
Wait.
14 days.
Put it on 22nd.
Ah, yes. Default.
Consider today.
NDPS.
My lord.
Otherwise, you can
And-
put it on 18 or 19.
My lord, 18.
Your under is there.
My lord, 18, my lord.
Heard Mr. PK. Direct counsel for accused petitioner and as Jahan no? Yes. Of which case?
Kaline PS, my lord.
Kaline PS. Will you be able to do it? Kaline is Kachar.
Ah.
Kachar.
I'll take information telephonically. Better chat with it.
Then 19.
Right.
19. For production of the case diary.
Obliged.
Number 29. Hey, tapos na pa.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay.
29,
Yes, attracted or not attracted?
I don't have the paper book. I
Okay, you go through
launch it.
because your contention is 167.2.
Yes, my lord.
Go through. We'll pick
167.
up after some.
Default bill.
Yesterday, MS Das was instructed. Justice has been filed.
Oh,
No, this Sashit file after mandatory period. Because on the day of 180, on 183 days,
No.
on 183 days, he submitted application seeking extension of time. That is beyond, my lord, mandatory period.
Now, there could be many questions also.
Lord.
Did you make any oral prayer?
Yes, I also made an application. That is application written in our order itself.
No.
On order itself, my petition is there. My petition on the day, my lord, because on 8/3/2024,
Then it may so require that we have to call for that.
yes, my lord.
When it was, because otherwise, see, on 180 days, if there was no prayer for extension of time to complete the investigation, you are entitled for default bail,
Yes, my lord.
right?
Yes, my lord.
Now, suppose no prayer is made, not even oral prayer is made on 180 day. Then, subsequently, if the search sheet is filed, then that is a question of law which will require many things to do. But if on 188 days, 180 days, you made a prayer for default bail, even if you go by Rakesh Pal, oral prayer, you are entitled for bail. But question will take a turn if you have not made any prayer. And these things are before the trial court.
yes.
Now, MS Bora has come up with the instruction that search sheet has been filed. Now that would, because we deferred the matter today, only because of the fact that 183 days they made a prayer for extension.
My lord. Yes.
All these issues will come up. Whether I am wrong or right, I don't know.
No, it is
but
Lordship is absolutely correct.
page 22.
that is, you should have asked all these issues before the planet trial court, special court.
The special court, I made my prayer on my lord. That is, your lordship, page 18. Order passed by rejected my application. Rejected my petition. Rejected my bail. Page 18. 9. They admitted by letter. Huh? No, no, it was very assured. Holy. No, no, come on.
Let it be on tomorrow.
Tomorrow, put for it. Huh? GRPS. Lambding GRPS 120-2020.
29
29-0.
Yes, some created a typical situation whether this is subject to revision or subject to bail. According to them, they have completed 180 days
Lord,
on 11/2024.
Lord. And Sarsit was submitted on 29/03/2000.
When it was submitted,
29/03/2020.
some legal issues will come up now.
That is
Yes.
the one that record.
We'll deal with it on 18 then.
No, after view,
18
my lord, beyond, my lord, after 22.
after 22
Yes, ma'am.
because we have to deal with some issues.
Lord,
I think
Because judge,
it could not be, yes, there are a few judges.
because
FKR Ahmed and
Satendra Kumar until is there, my lord.
petition. One petition
Yes, one.
and MS SA Bora order and state of Assam. The accused petitioner has preferred the instant bail application
Naturally.
in connection with
Yes, sir.
what is case number?
Yes, my lord, Lambding GRPS case number.
Landing
120.
GRPS case number 120/2023 registered under sections 120B stroke 379 stroke 411 stroke 34 comma Indian Penal Code read with sections 21C stroke 29 of the NDPS Act 1985. The petitioner's contention is that after his apprehension, after he was apprehended, he was produced before the Court of Learned Special Judge, Shankardev Nagar, Hojai on 11/9/2023. It is the contention of the accused petitioner that a period of 180 days expired on
eight-
11/3.
8/3, my lord.
Huh?
On 8/3,
It is 180 days or 6 months?
180.
180 days, my lord. It is
Period of 180 days from the date from 11/9/2023 expired on 8/3/2024 and to complete the investigation. To stop. As the investigation of the case was not completed till 11/3/2024, an application seeking bail under section 167(2) CRPC
my lord.
was submitted before the learned Special Judge Hojai. The said petition, being petition number 1032/2024, was considered by the learned Special Judge Hojai on 11/3/2024. The learned Special Judge has, however, rejected the petition on the premise that the investigating officer of the case had sought extension to complete the investigation by making a prayer under subsection 4 of section 36A of the NDPS Act. When it was submitted, any idea?
On the same day, 11/3, 11/3.
11/03,
That was page number 22,
The last phase.
last page, 11/3. Page 22, my lord.
It is a contention of Mr. Amit, learned counsel for the petitioner, that the IO of the case had submitted the application to complete the had submitted the application to extend the period of investigation only on 11/3/2024, which was beyond 180 days from the date of arrest of the petitioner. And as such, the accused petitioner was entitled to default bail on 11/3/2024. Also, MS Bora, learned additional public prosecutor, has however contended that supported the order of the learned special judge, order dated 11/3/2024, of the learned special judge Hojai. Also, it is further submitted that the charge sheet of the case has been submitted by the IO on 29/3/2024. As sought for by the learned counsel for the parties, is the case on when 20 after 22 23 or 24? 20.
24.
24,
Hello.
4, 2024. You come up with all the decision.
Let it judgment, my lord. So, Satyendra Kumar until
No, until is not. Until is different. Until is different, Mr. That when you press the application under 167(2) and when they made the application for extension,
same day,
same day.
because on 8 it was closed. Court was on 8/3, court was closed.
Then the benefit may go
Hmm.
8/3, 8/3, 9/3,
Hmm.
10.
Hmm.
Oh, those are holidays.
Holiday, yes, boss.
Then
11/3 they have.
benefit may go to the public prosecutor. Oh, sorry. Yes, public prosecutor, as well as the IO. Find out. Because 8th, 9th, and 10th of March
Holiday, yes.
were holidays.
Yes, boss.
So if we go by the General Clauses Act, right, then whether the benefit of extension of time would be to the IO or to the accused, because they will be counted General Clauses Act. If those are public holidays,
Public holiday.
it is not that easy, Mr. Ahmed. Central Act, so General Clauses Act will be applicable. Firstly, Section 9, then Section 10. Right? Here. Whereby any Central Act or regulation made after the commencement of this Act, any act or proceeding is directed or allowed to be done or taken in any court on a certain day, here 180 day, 180, or within a prescribed period. Then, if the court is closed on that day or the last day of the prescribed period, the act or proceeding shall be considered as done or taken in due time if it is done or taken on the next day afterwards on which the court is opened. So this is the issue. We'll record that. Land Council for the parties have submitted that they be granted time to address on the issue in reference to Section 9 and Section 10 of the General Clauses Act 1897. So as per provided Land Council for the parties, please so that
Yeah.
you can address. Maybe on time.
Yeah.
I hope. You discard that.
Well.
Then you will be entitled.
Well,
You- Yes, MS Jahan, MS Bhuiya. Try to address on this point.
My lord.
Issue is interesting.
yeah, please, your lordship.
At least it cannot be brushed aside otherwise, very easily. I don't know what kind of, it is marked black in this calendar.
What kind
What kind of holiday? I don't know. It is restricted or what? 9th is second Saturday. Court is holiday.
Yeah.
It is, bear in mind, it is criminal court. Holiday for criminal court.
8, 9, 10.
Find out from the calendar.
8, 9, 10.
And with regard to subsection 4, section 36A and section 10 of the General Clauses.
My lord, this is an
Yes.
anticipatory bail application, lordship.
Item?
Now, herein
Saturday, Friday.
the respondent, the opposite parties, they have alleged a offense that we have committed an offense of kidnapping her minor daughter, my lord. Here in this, but
There is no police case.
There's no
Any
police
instruction
case.
from Dispur police station?
Lordship, till date, we don't
Huh?
have any instruction.
my lord,
No instruction.
on that,
No instruction till date.
no, my lord,
438. You are Ghulam Hussain.
yes, my lord.
He can't wait, no, what happened here? Officer in charge Dispur police station was directed to submit a report as to whether any case has been registered in connection with FIR dated 28/12/2023 lodged by one Sukitan Khatun.
Lordship will take instruction.
That was in January.
Yes, then tomorrow
Tomorrow it
will be difficult, just after vacation, any day.
yes.
My lord, then till
Is there
then,
anything?
at least-
Since
at least
January
let-
you are pursuing this petition. Whether you've been disturbed.
no, at least, my lord, we are in apprehension that because, my lord, they have already tortured my son and my nephew. They have, the Dispur police station, we have given also an FIR, but the FIR was not registered. Now on 27, the same day on 10 PM, my lord, my minor son, my lord, 13 years, kindly be noted, lordship, and my nephew, they were brought to the police station. They are
Did you also lodge any FIR?
yes, I have lodged in an
Have
FIR,
you
my lord.
pursued that
Yes, I have
in a
given, my
proper
lord,
manner?
Annexure 3,
No, you are making an allegation that
Yes,
your
ma'am.
case has not been registered.
Not-
FIR has
not
not been registered.
not registered.
Have you pursued the matter in a proper manner?
Yes, my lord. Now,
That regarding
no,
non-registration
yes.
of your FIR.
Yes.
Have you pursued the matter in a manner prescribed by law?
No,
No.
not that. Will
So leave it aside.
Oh.
Leave it aside. That does not
No, we
bear
have
any significance.
we have filed a representative to the
find out.
Commissioner of Police.
Yes, MS Bora,
Lordship,
18,
on 18th.
and you were upset on the previous day.
My lord, actually, my senior was appearing for this.
You're not
case.
very serious also.
My lord,
Mr.
my apologies. S.S. Ahmed, lord.
SS
Ahmed.
Ahmed. Heard Mr. SS Ahmed learning. Yes, Bora learning. MS Bora learned additional public prosecutor shall invariably obtain a report from the officer in charge, Dispur police station, in deference to the order dated 5/1/2020. On the next date of the is the case on 19.
Lordship.
Obliged.
Only report whether FIR has been registered or
Lordship,
not
Lord-
registered. That is the
Lordship.
report required.
I will,
Why since January?
Lordship.
Obliged. my-
May it please, your lordship. Lord, 438 application, my lord. The FIR at case 16, my lord, the basic allegation is that this is an FIR by the bank. Bank allegation is that they have erroneously credited an amount to the petitioner's account, and petitioners within 10 days has transferred this amount to various accounts. And on this date of the FIR, they have also issued a notice, my lord, that is, the lordship will find at case 22. Take your lordship to the last paragraph of the notice, my lord. You are requested to immediately refund the whole amount of 37,60,000 upon receipt of this letter. Failing to do so, we may bring an appropriate suit in the competent court of law for recovery of the aforesaid amount, and further may attach all your movable and immovable properties towards pretend to satisfaction of the total amount. Because that is the only remedy that is available with the bank. So this FIR has been lodged, be that as it may, my lord.
But you have siphoned off all this money.
No, my lord. So what has happened, my lord? I will say it is
funds from your account.
Different.
It was a case of unjust enrichment, knowing fully well it is a case of unjust
No.
enrichment.
my lord. It
You
is
have
an-
siphoned
my
off the amount.
My lord, it is an unfortunate coincidence, my lord, because what happened, my lord, I had entered into a land transaction with somebody, my lord, I was also expecting the same amount, my lord.
You were expecting same amount, let us see.
My lord.
What
The,
amount?
my lord, there is an agreement for sale that is of page 20, my lord. Page 20. And the amount, my lord, which I received, the total amount was 41 lakhs, 3 lakhs 50,000 I received it, and I was about to receive 3 lakhs 50,000. And the amount which is credited is 3 lakhs 60,200.
This is unregistered one. C1. When the incident happened,
It is the amount was credited on 18/3, my lord. 18/3/2024. And out of this amount, my lord, the persons who received, my lord, they has already returned it on my instruction, my lord. The persons who have received it, when I got this letter from the notice from the bank, I immediately informed all these persons who have received it that this
Mr.
is
Case study will be required.
your bona fide can be only proved. Right?
page.
If we get this backside of this page 20,
Backside of
page 20,
page 20. I'll produce it, my lord. In fact, it came in my mobile also. This scan copy, my lord. Possibly, my lord. While
okay, see the scan of
I'll
it is really easy to buy backdated stamp paper.
sorry, my lord. The back side is not sent. The front two side only. I'll produce the original copy, my lord. I'll produce the original copy. Anyways, my lord, even the agreement for sale are not compulsory registrable, my lord.
Right. So there is easy to go this way or that way, very easy.
Your lordship will kindly,
Had it been registered, I would have
my lord. I understand.
accepted prima facie.
I understand.
Right.
My lord will kindly.
And if it is not, then it is an unregistered.
Well,
then two questions will arise from the backside. Whether it was a update
True.
document or it was a backdated.
And also the statement of the purchaser.
Presumptions may arise in different way, but
And
how much amount you have refunded?
My lord, 28 lakhs. Para 9 of my bail application on page 6. Para 9, page 6, my lord.
And what about the rest amount?
And my lord, para 10, my lord. Para 10. Some amount which I have expended, my lord, I have take short time from the bank to refund it. I have never denied it, my lord, that I will not refund it.
Okay, MS Bora get the instruction from the IO whether this 28 lakh has been received by the
My
bank
lord.
tomorrow.
So,
Lord.
lordship, to that record,
Tomorrow-
CD will be required.
Huh?
To that,
No, by tomorrow. It's the one call from MS Bora to the IO,
lordship.
one call from the IO to the bank manager,
In
and
fact, my
third
lord,
call from IO to MS Bora.
in fact, I have,
We settle.
my
If
lord,
he has deposited at least 28 lakh,
Lordship. If it
Yeah.
is so, lordship. Yes.
Yeah. at
tomorrow.
least some bona fide.
Yes.
in fact, as per,
Otherwise,
in fact, as per,
37 lakh,
yes, I understand.
one cannot expect.
My lord. In fact, as per my
And
instruction, my
that
lord,
your proposed purchaser will not transfer the amount without informing you and without executing a registered sale deed.
No, my lord, there was-
prudent person will do such thing. It is normal human conduct. This story you have projected.
no, he is already
Let us
holding,
see your bona fide.
my lord, he is
That's
already possessing the land.
Let us
possession
see
was
your
handed over to
comment.
him. This possession of the land
That
was
we
handed
are
over
not
to him.
going into those aspects, those are
My lord.
disputed.
My
But let us see your bona fide, that 28 lakh out of 37 got already deposited.
In fact, that information can be taken from the IO itself because I have been told the amount was deposited in presence of the IO.
Okay, find out,
Yes, yes,
Mal-
tomorrow.
find out
Tomorrow.
in Excel
Yes.
My lord.
after some time.
After some time, my lord,
If
over the
it is
phone
If
was-
IO is aware,
Yes, yes, yes.
If
If I-
he can definitely inform.
Yes.
I have been told that it is
Okay.
deposited.
Okay.
Yes.
We'll take up after.
After some time.
My lord. Great.
May I please your lord, this is for 39 application.
Checking
In
report.
this case, the charge sheet was filed and
Huh?
accused was arrested.
Charge sheet was filed.
Accused was arrested on 28/9/23 and charge sheet was filed on 26/12.
What is the case? Offense.
Case is
May I please your lordship, the interim is their lordship 11 and 12 is
Your charge sheet has been submitted.
class is submitted, but the our petitioner name is there or not.
Petitioner name is there.
11 and 12 is same. offense.
Good question.
That
They are relatives.
Yes,
Okay. They are relatives, not the husband.
498A.
nothing has been mentioned in the. Lordship, may I pray
Yeah.
for date?
Huh?
Pray for date.
Okay, you are on interim otherwise.
After vacation.
After vacation.
Get a got. Yes.
Okay, Mr. N. Ahmed.
Okay.
Heard Mr. N. Ahmed, the council for the petitioners.
Mizanur.
Hello?
And MS Mia,
Relax.
I can tell you.
11 and 12.
MS Mia has submitted that the after completion of investigation in connection with Abhayapuri Police Station, case number 318 of 2023, the IO has already submitted a charge sheet under section 173 within bracket 2 CRPC. By charge sheet
My
number
charge sheet number 285 of 2023,
285
oblique
of-
2023,
on
dated 31/7/2023.
MS Ahmed has submitted that since the petitioners are relatives of the husband comma, it is necessary to ascertain as to whether the charge sheet has been submitted also against these petitioners. Full stop. MS Bhuiyan has sought for listing of the case on 23,
On 23, my lord?
23, 4
Yes.
Tuesday
Yes.
to obtain the instruction as regards the accused persons against whom the charge sheet has been submitted. Full stop. List the case accordingly on
23/4.
23/4. The interim order passed shall continue till then. 12.
12 is
Also
same
same.
lordship, husband.
Husband. So obviously, I think you are the husband. Okay. Mr. N. Ahmed, Planet Council for the petitioner has paid for listing of the case on 23/4/2024. She submitted means you are the person. Okay. MS B. Bhuiyan, Senior Counsel and Additional Public Prosecutor. Is present. Please the case as paid for by Mr. Ahmed. Please the case on 23/4/2024. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next.
Lordship, 13, in the file it's written charge sheet number so and so,
Yes.
but lordship, that sleep acknowledgement is not there with me. So It's difficult on my part to submit, my lord. It's written by somebody
Okay.
some of our colleagues.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. MS B. Huyal, additional senior counsel and additional public prosecutor, assisted by MS so for the respondent, state of Assam is present. In view of non-representation, we have the petitioner today on call. Release the case, comma forensic justice again on 23/4/2000. Release the case again on so and so. Forensic justice, the interim order passed shall continue till the next order. Forensic justice interim order like in view of not. Any connection, registration of any police case?
My lord.
Same thing like that one. None has appeared. Maybe now he may not have any cause of action.
Right.
Any instruction?
It's written by somebody some of our colleagues. As per verbal instruction from office, no case has been registered, but lordship, I
Okay,
don't
has
know
been
who has
registered.
taken it.
Anyway, I think he is also not interested since no case is registered.
None.
There is no yes. I was about to dismiss your petition.
Lordship, my lord. It was some report was called for, my lord, but that report was not coming earlier 2-3 days, my lord.
Lordship, I don't.
Why it should be kept pending MS Bhuya since October 2020?
Yes, my lord.
Not October, September, as to whether any case has been registered or not registered.
Report, lordship.
A very simple one.
Yes, my lord.
It is adding to the numbers of
Yes.
cases and wastage of judicial time. Why we should keep postponing it?
Ready?
Can take from telephonic instruction also, my lord.
No, that is there. It's in the file. It's written, but who has written? I have not received an instruction.
But for this basic information, this case is pending since 11 September 2023. We are in April.
Lordship.
Let a report from the officer in charge, Longta Police Station, be called for as to whether any case has been registered based on General Diary entry number 449 dated 38/2023. What is the any idea? General Diary entry?
No, my lord.
No.
One of our
As
office.
per my instruction, it was a case of, my lord, NI Act matter. But what case registered?
MS Bhuya,
Lordship.
get the instruction. We would not like to postpone this. If it is
Lordship, it has been
NI
received
Udali PP General Diary entry number 449 dated 38/2020. If it is given in respect of some dishonor of sake and no case is required to be registered, why we should keep it pending? till
One of our
September?
office staff has written. He has taken an instruction. His name is written here, Brojendra. He is our office staff, my lord. No case has been registered against the petition.
Find out, verify from
Yes.
Bhajendra if he has received that instruction, we'll close that.
Yes. After
Simple, otherwise.
my lord.
Oblige.
It is actually
G, okay. We'll after 18. There is no representation of the after. What kind of anticipatory bail application? It is a search-dated case. Preferred and anticipatory bail application. Any idea? There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner written copy. When the application was listed earlier on 4/3/2020, there was non-representation on behalf of that occasion. Peter Ajit May, the case, for justice, be listed again on 24/4/2020.
Lordship, item number 22, final report has been submitted.
Final reports are immediate. You are free. Heard MS J Growth, Learned Council for the petition, and MS S.H. Bora, Learned petition for MS Bora, Learned petition for has submitted that after completion of investigation in connection with Kochudara
Yes, Doctor.
Police Station, case number 146, stroke 2023, within bracket, GR case number 4345, 2023, bracket close. The IO of the case has submitted a final report, right, final report number
5 of the 2024, dated 31/01/2024.
In view of submission of final report in connection with the instant application under section 438 here has become infectious.
No.
And it is accordingly closed.
Obliged, Lord. To receive the case type.
May I please order? In earlier occasion, case diary was called for, and in the meantime, the petitioner was hospitalized, and therefore, for aid interim protection, an IO was filed.
Case diary is received.
My
Why would you?
main case may be kindly heard.
Huh?
Main bail application may be heard, my lord. FIR is page 10, my lord. My lord, I'm Mamuni Deka, my lord. Actual informant is Ranjana Gogoi, but FIR was signed
Who is
by
that FIR? Tell me.
FIR, my lord, page 10. Sorry, my lord, it's 11. And over 11, my lord.
11.
11, and type copy is, my lord, 8. It's not purely legible. So type copy is there, my lord. Actual informant is Ranjana Gogoi, but FIR was signed by some Pradeep Gogoi, my lord. My lord, my father purchased a plot of land.
Let me read.
FIR, my lord.
Have you annexed your copy of the registered sale deed 6517 to
My lord,
1998
yes, my
along
lord.
with the bail application?
No, no, my lord. Already that has been exhibited in
Why?
civil court.
Why?
Title
Why
is
you,
pending.
why would you have deprived us from the benefit of looking at the registered sale deed?
My lord, that has not been annexed, my lord. On last occasion, if this court adjourn, I shall submit, my lord.
Please give us also that privilege.
My lord, civil court already granted injunction, my lord. And my lord, last year there was a mission to apprehend the land mafia, and they find out some.
So give us the privilege also. Why you are depriving us from the privilege of looking at the sale deed? That sale deed against whom all these allegations are made.
My lord, that has been exhibited, and they purchased the land from other person, my lord.
We do not go to the civil court to examine it.
My lord.
We examine it whatever is before us.
And
allegation is otherwise serious.
My lord, if allegation is serious, one thing, my lord, 468 CRPC also is there, my lord. Limitation, there nothing said when that fraud document was generated.
When did you mutate your?
My lord.
When did you made your application for mutation?
Mutation, my lord. It's not there, my lord.
If application comes before this court,
my lord,
court will ask piercing questions.
My lord, I filed a plaint. I filed a civil case, my lord. And I am thereafter this FIR was registered, my lord. And in 2020, my lord, I filed an FIR against the informant, my lord.
Why you don't you give us the benefit of looking at your great registered sale deed?
Lordship,
My lord, that has not been
her
given.
statement was recorded wherein she has give the statement that it was lost, my lord. That I was going home riding a bicycle. The sale deed of the state land by number 6617 of 98 was lost, and I have also collected police report of the same from Patasar Kusti PS.
It was expected. I could anticipate it. That is why I am asking the learned counsel.
My
I anticipated such kind of thing. There was one typical judgment when litigant he got title document on the road and filed a PIL. Imported document. Lost.
My lord.
Original is lost. Or certified copy is lost.
Actually, client didn't provide me. She said simply that was deposited to civil court.
Everything you have filed a civil suit on the strength of land document.
Yes, my lord.
So
And
please give us the privilege also to have a look.
My lord,
on the basis of which you have filed this civil suit.
In our civil suit, my lord, we prayed before the civil court to call for the original record of the
Which will never be there. So certified copy can be there. Why don't you produce it?
My lord, that has been.
See, you call for the original. On the other hand, you have lost the information that something is lost. What is your story exactly?
My lord, as per the instruction of the petitioner.
Instruction of the petitioner.
That was submitted civil court. And here our statement is adverse,
is not
so I have
right.
nothing.
Something is not right.
No.
You produce a copy
My lord.
of sale deed.
Yes, my lord. Next date may be given, my lord.
Heard Mr. M. Kolja, learned counsel for the petitioner and M.S. P. Mian. Mr. Kolja has submitted that he will produce a copy of the registered sale deed number 6517 of 1998 dated T12/2019, executed between the petitioner on one hand and one Sri Royal Sunderhill on the other.
My lord, at this time, my lord, he is hospitalized, my lord. Medical document is given, my lord. Interim may be given, my lord.
I'll get the petitioner medically examined by a medical board. Mr. Kolta, I have seen it. You get it on at least the case on 9. You praise that application. I'm not very interested. I'm not very interested. I'll get the petitioner medically examined in the AIMS. Get it? Raise that application on us before some other court, not before it. Am I clear? 19.
Before any other bench?
No, no, no.
Or 19th?
Obliged.
Yes, present. File an IA.
My lord.
I'm not very interested.
My lord. CDB retained, my lord.
CDB retained. The case diary is stated to be received. Will the same be retained?
28 lordship.
May I please,
Receive
your
the case diary.
in this matter, Mr. Arbora is appearing today. Some difficulty, your lordship.
What is this?
We have received a case diary, my.
No, what is this? Application IA?
I'm appearing on his behalf, your lordship.
Extension of ad interim order. Ad interim order was passed.
Tomorrow was there, your lordship.
It should be before that time.
My lord. Reject করলে না reject করা নাই
No. Interim order was passed.
Passed by another bench.
Directing that to direct a petition to appear before IO within prescribed period, right?
Yes, sir.
Now he has failed to appear before IO.
Yes. Then before
That
appropriate
bench
bench.
is
Yes.
taking up bail matters.
My lord.
I think it would be proper
Lordship.
to list it tomorrow.
My lord.
Learned counsel heard Mr. R.R. Gogoi, learned counsel appearing for the applicant, and MSB Mia learned counsel for the parties have submitted that the instant interlocutory application be listed before the appropriate bench in packet. M. Thakuria J. Tomorrow, as the petitioner applicant, petitioner has expressed urgency in the matter. Release the application tomorrow.
CDP retained.
Which is the CD has already been sent back.
No, it's here.
Last order to main case.
Here.
No. To retain it tomorrow.
Yes.
Not observe anything. Let it be listed before that bench. I think that bench is taking up bail matter.
Yes.
Yes.
It will be tomorrow, lordship.
Huh?
Tomorrow, lordship.
Tomorrow.
Because if it gets signed, lordship, it will be.
No, then before which bench? Then it
Before
needs to be
code 18,
before
code-
that
code-
bench.
Code 18, that will be better.
Huh?
Code 18, lordship.
Who is sitting there?
Court 18.
Malakshi.
Justice
Malakshi, M.
Malakshi.
Nandi.
Okay.
Tomorrow it will be listed before any bench.
No, because nowadays the law is also there. If the co-accused is granted bail, then the application of the other is to be placed before the same bench.
Same bench.
Lordship,
Supreme Court observed. I don't know that.
then all- that will be better, lordship. Code.
You are BA.
Then court 18.
Huh?
Justice Malakshi.
Okay. On the prayer. Hey. The petition. List the case tomorrow. I mean, as Jahan, additional public prosecution is in attendance.
I didn't know this Supreme Court law to be taken up by the same court. Acha.
Where is that? Sitting here, I am not
No, I didn't know. It has
It is
got-
difficult. Yes, there
Oh,
are observations. Suppose one court has granted, there is
Yeah.
a different situation has arisen,
yes.
right? One court has rejected bail application of an accused. Another court has granted bail as to a similarly situated accused. Similarly, one was granted, the other refused. So for purpose of consistency, judicial consistency,
Same
the
court should hear.
co-accused person's bail application should be placed before a particular court.
Yes, this is the
That is
proper
what,
practice.
for the purpose of judicial, my perception may be different, other perception may be different, right? So for the purpose of judicial consistency, I have found two, three decisions.
Ah, yes.
Because one judge may reject,
Mm.
the other judge may allow on the same situation.
It will lead to
For
chaos.
the purpose of judicial consistency, right?
But,
Much obliged, Your Lord. Much obliged.
and in that Sonapur case, they have not received our letter, they said. The
Okay.
OC. It was sent on second. It was sent on second. So they have said that I have not received. Perhaps post has.
Then Mr. Ali,
18th, I'll get it served. I'll get it served on 18th.
okay. R. Ali for the petition
City call, perhaps.
and MS Jahan, an additional public prosecutor for State Kota, on the prayer of
CD was also called for.
CD,
CD is not here.
CD as well as
In-
Okay.
re-entry.
Yes, madam.
I'll
Thank you.
take it after the holiday. Lordship, in the meantime, if your Lordship takes up our matter, I have asked my person to.
Yes, I am waiting.
Lordship, I have a telephonic instruction. I talked to the IO concerned IO Lordship. He has told me that tomorrow he will provide the statement from Bangkok.
Okay. Tomorrow?
But tomorrow I have some little difficulty. But
Why?
but tonight I'm going out.
Huh?
Tonight I'm going out.
Okay, if, okay, we'll take care of your.
Just got it. In fact,
If you have deposit, suppose 28,000 lakh is deposited.
Just
and
now, in
you-
fact, I
if
have
you are
reconfirmed.
giving some undertaking, will extend
Yes.
extend interim protection to an till the production. But thing is that let us ascertain.
Yes, yes.
whether
No,
28 lakh.
no problem, my lord. In fact, I have
Big
just
question.
now reconfirmed it. my lord.
Big OC and S.H. Bora. MS Bora has sought listing of the case tomorrow
Tomorrow.
in order to obtain instruction from the IO as to whether an amount of a sum of rupees 20 lakh has been received back by the bank.
By the
List the case tomorrow.
Yes.
It was,
Alright.
in fact, after this refund, my lord, there was a news report to that effect. My lord. I have
new?
been told there was a news report to that effect also that 28 lakhs has been, and the petitioner has been linked with the sitting MLA. My lord. That's
linked to it.
This sitting MLA
Will not go to those years.
and all those because of this fact, my lord, there is an apprehension. Oh, like,
Yes, Mr. Goswami. This would require some consideration, I think. Yes, but
My senior is on the way.
Mr. Goswami.
The petitioner had challenged the order
Right.
registered, Lordship.
Mr. Goswami, to be frank, let us hear on a fixed date, not because I have to do many things.
Yes. After the
Before Bihu. After Bihu, immediately, or hearing date, immediately within this April, we can do it. 25th? 25th? Where is Mr. Taludar?
Yes, Lordship.
You represent Talukdar,
Yes, Lordship.
Mr.
H. Islam.
H. Islam, Learned Counsel representing Mr. B. Sinha, Learned Counsel for the petition. MS P. Bonia, Learned Counsel representing Mr. S.K. Talukdar, Learned Standing Counsel Corporation Department. And Mr. R. Goswami, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 4 are present. As sought for by the Learned Counsel for the parties, this is the case on 25. 25. We'll finish that.
Yes.
No instruction, it will go then.
After the holiday.
18 months.
18.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. Giuddin, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and B. Bhuya. MS Bhuya has sought listing of the case. To obtain instruction, comma, without fail,
Without fail, yes.
comma, to obtain a report without fail from the officer in charge, Lanka Police Station, as to whether any case has been registered based on General Diary Entry Number 449 dated 30/8/2022. Done?
Well,
List the case accordingly on 18/4.
Obliged.